Hi fourth graders, Mrs. Watson here. At this point of the lesson, you will need to listen and follow along with this video to complete your work. You're going to open up your green folder. Inside, you should have this article titled Good Germs, and you should have a blank boxes and bullets page. Please make sure that they are side by side as you are working. Just like last week, you will need a regular pencil and 3 different colored pencils, twistables, or crayons. No markers or highlighters. Pause the video right now and make sure that you have all of those materials. Okay, so last week we worked on 2 different articles and we talked about finding the main idea and supporting details that support that idea. We're going to read through this article today. I'm going to read it to you, and we're going to read it once all the way through because we can't talk about any of these details until we have a full overview on what the article is telling us. So at this time, you want to make sure your headphones are in and you're in a really good spot where you do your best work, whether that's in the hallway or back at your seat in your homeroom class. I'm going to get ready to start reading to you so you can listen along. The title of this article is called Good Germs. Did you know that not all germs are bad? It's true. Germs are living inside your body right now that are actually helpful. One place we find good germs is in our intestines. These germs help us make the best use of the nutrients in the food we eat. They also help turn what's left over into waste. Without these good germs, your body couldn't process the food that you eat. Scientists use good germs to make medicines and vaccines. Some believe that using antibiotics too often might kill off our good germs, leading to obesity due to poor digestion. Other researchers believe that good germs may have a wide variety of benefits. Studies have shown that they help prevent diabetes and asthma. They can help the immune system function correctly and even ward off certain types of cancer. Germs living on your skin can even help prevent infections. Some of the germs in your body may cause you to get sick from time to time, but many of those germs work with your body to keep it balanced and healthy. Before we move on, you can pause the video and rewind it if you need me to reread this out loud to you again. The first thing you're going to do is look back in the article and think, what is the overall main idea? What is the point of this article? What is it trying to teach us? I'll give you a clue. It might not be the very first sentence, but it's in one of the first few sentences. Get your regular pencil ready and, upside down, and look at the sentence that sums up the main idea. You are going to underline it one time. You might have been thinking that the whole point of this article is that maybe that there are some germs that are helpful. If that's what you were thinking, you would be correct. Find the sentence in the beginning that states that if you didn't already. Your next task is to find 3 supporting details that have to do with that main idea. Look for 3 examples of how germs can be helpful for the body. How does it help the body? You are going to look back into this article and underline using your 3 different colors for each detail. When you are done with that, you're going to take your main idea boxes and bullet page. The first thing you're going to do is write what the main idea of the passage is in your own words. Don't forget to put one of those sentence starters for the main idea, like the main idea of the passage or the main idea of the article is blah, blah, blah. The next thing you're going to do is after you have found the 3 supporting details, you're going to write them 1, 2, 3, just like we practiced last week. We're going to review this activity tomorrow, and I'm going to collect and look at your work. So you want to make sure you're doing your best thinking and that you're using those sentence starters like for example or according to the text or the article states. When you are done, you can put these back in your green folder and you can move on to the next slide activity. Good luck! Do your best work!